Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. This is the hairstyle that my Angolan friend did for pretty Alisha after we ate fufu and lice soup. This is so nice. With your forehead as well. There's a forehead.
We love you guys.
We love you. What do they have to do? They need to
subscribe and like. And
yeah.
Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss our other videos.
Hey, me babe. Pretty Alisha happens to be in the same class with my friend's daughter, and these girls always want to twin. So Alisha saw this hairstyle on Clesia's hair. Clesia is my friend's daughter, and she wanted it. So the lady, my friend, was very kind and chose to come to my flat to help do this hairstyle for pretty Alisha. I was trying to learn this cornrow skills. Oh, Abusia. I can cornrow, but it's not going to be nice like this one. And even this, she said she was in a hurry. So, I mean, this is not the best of her skills. So I hope, she's camera shy. I hope we will be filming videos together, okay? I don't know if you can learn from her skills. I keep watching this video over and over again, hoping to learn and master her tricks. Elizabeth, thank you. Whenever you watch this video, pretty Alisha and I are very grateful. If you've watched me till this point, oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. If today is your first time stopping by, the name as you saw on the screen is Pretty Sarah. Thank you very much. On this channel, there's no boring moment. We are either learning or having fun. All right? Please consider subscribing and become a part of this beautiful family. Thank you for all your support. Hey, my fellow Ghanaians, as I said in my short video, today is our elections day, right? Presidential and parliamentary elections day. Please, if you haven't gone out to cast your vote, it's not too late. Please go and exercise your constitutional rights. Stay safe out there as well, okay? So let's see, family, if you can see what Elizabeth is doing, how she's cornrowing. Alisha kept moving her head because she wanted to play with her friend. Hey, so please, Alisha enjoyed the fufu with me. After all the hype. If you missed yesterday's video, I'm going to link it at the end of this video. See how this one is clear? Huh? This is clear, oh?
Everything.
As long as Alicia's not complaining, I'm okay like that, you know. She's not complaining that she's tired or
she
back
will
to
not
something.
This girl.
No, because it's tiring, you know, for the kids to sit down for 2 hours. It's a lot. Usually I have timer, you know that when to stop. Because they can get tired.
She's been quiet right from...
Alicia's good as well. And just be a bit quicker now. Because I know Alicia sleeps earlier. It's not like my night owl bed. It's like a night owl. This is a new one. A new one, isn't it?
The same old one. A year and a half old.
That's not bad. Still new. This game is so boring. Yeah, look, I'm just doing this. When I do, I twist. I do this. I'm twisting. I'm doing my finger. So it lasts a bit more. But because I'm doing fast, you don't see it.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Because if you had not told me, there's no way I would have seen that.
I'm doing slow. You just twist.
Wow.
Because I'm doing too fast. That's why I don't see.
Alisha.
Hello.
Thank you once again for watching today's video. Please do watch all my Vlogmas videos if you haven't. I started from 1st December, okay? Don't forget to like the videos, share and subscribe. Have a good evening.
Look, she don't look.
Yeah, it really moves.
Alicia is so funny.
Number one model, one shot mad, you put on home for 50. No, shot mad. Oh, fair. God has made you beautiful. You are blessed. You'll always be blessed. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.